Wait until you see what happens when an aggressive chewer meets this indestructible pterosaur toy that actually fights back. This bite-resistant beast is made from durable, non-toxic materials that can handle whatever your dog throws at it. While they're going to town on it, it's secretly cleaning their teeth by reducing plaque, tartar, and bad breath. Plus, it supports natural chewing behavior to relieve stress and stop destructive habits. Easy to clean and built to last. Don't let your aggressive chewer win. Get this undefeated champion now. Only at jordanpetsupply.com, where thousands of pet owners shop for everything their pets need.